Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm gonna share you some effective strategies how to memorize in reading faster, right? So in this video we're going to see step-by-step strategies to help you to memorize faster in your reading, right? The first step is set clear goal, right? You have to determine what information you need to remember before you start reading, right? Having a specific purpose will just help you to focus and make the learning process more effective, right? So you have to have a setting clear goals for the reason you are reading, the reason you are just want to memorize something from the material that you are studying, right? Strategy number 2, preview the material, right? Before you are diving into the full text, you have to quickly skim through the heading, subheading, bolded or italics words and any diagram or charts, because this will give you just an overview of the context or the content, and just help you to actively just to engage, right? And also to activate your just pure knowledge, right? Strategy number 3, take notes. Take notes. While just reading, you have to take concise notes on the main idea and just the key details, right? Use abbreviations, symbols, and keywords to make your notes more concise and easier to review later, right? So avoid just copying the entire text word, or just don't just copy everything word by word, right? And instead you have to focus on summarizing the information in your own words or by the way you understood, right? Strategy number 4, use visualization technique. That means try to create just a mental image to represent the concept or idea you are reading about. You have to just understand what is the intention for the writer, why he writes. You have to understand the basics. You have to visualize information just from the deep past, right? Because visualization information can help you just to retain it more effectively, right? For example, if you are reading just about the parts of a plant cell, you have to imagine each component and its position within the cell, right? Strategy number 5, use mnemonic device. That means you have to employ, you have to just leverage mnemonic techniques to remember complex or abstract information. This can just include acronyms, maybe acrostics, or creating vivid association between certain concepts, right? For instance, to memorize the order of just operations in mathematics, maybe PEMDAS, to just to remember parentheses, exponents, and multiplication and division, addition and subtraction, right? You could just create a phrase like, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. You can abstract like this. Strategy number 6, employ active learning strategies. That means you have to engage with the material actively by just asking yourself questions, by just summarizing sections in your own words, or by discussing the content with others, right? Because this helps you to reinforce your understanding and the retention of the information, right? Strategy number 7, practice recall and repetition, right? After just completing each section or chapter, try to just recall the main point without referring back to the text, right? Because this exercise just enhance your memory and help to identify areas where you need to review, right? Additionally, regular review a section spaced out over time. Spaced repetition just have been just proven to be more effective for long-term retention compared to cramming, right? Strategy number 8, seek understanding, not just memorization. That's the basics. Seek understanding, not just memorization, or seek comprehension, not just memorization. That means instead of just solely memorizing the fact or focus on understanding the underlying concept, right? This comprehension will allow you to apply the knowledge in different contexts and remember it more effectively, right? Strategy number 9, establish a steady routine. You have to have a good steady routine, right? That means you have to consistent, right? Because consistency is it's the key, right? You have to set aside dedicated time each day or week or for reading and review, and right, you have to stick to your schedule to build a habit and just to avoid procrastination, right? Strategy number 10, make it multi-sensory. You have to incorporate multiple senses while studying. For example, for instance, maybe read aloud, record yourself explaining the concept, or maybe create a visual aid such as mind map or diagram, right? You have to activate different senses, enhance your memory, encoding, and just retrieval. Remember, everyone has different learning preference, so adapt these strategies to fit your learning style. Just practice regularly and make studying enjoyable, and try to relate the information to your personal experience whenever possible, right? So I hope you enjoyed the video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, right? To grow my channel and to get more updated content like this and to explore a different context, right? So I'll see you next time.